Hi, I'm Robin Carpenter. I work at Newton's Tree, which is one of the organisations that took part in the first cohort of the MHRA Airlock. The focus of my organisation is making AI in healthcare safe. An important way that we do that is by providing real-time monitoring to hospitals, AI vendors, and oversight bodies. As part of the Airlock, we ran 3 work packages: a multi-site study to validate the monitoring service, a regulatory gap analysis of AI risk mitigations, and a roundtable discussion to see what was happening on the ground. We learnt a lot. My colleague, Dr. Aisha Lewis, is now going to share some of the details of what we discovered about automation bias.
Automation bias is when the user of a product stops questioning its outputs. In other words, their critical thinking switches off. And a lesson during Airlock was that this happens to clinical staff when using AI. In our study, 180 chest X-ray cases were read by clinicians at each hospital. Clinicians that were more junior with an increased workload were at risk of automation bias. The risk of automation bias is not uncommon when using AI. Further, we learnt that very little is being done during day-to-day practice to catch automation bias. This is concerning because AI products can be unpredictable, and automation bias reduces the clinician's ability to mitigate against these risks.
We learnt a lot of other lessons, and we'll be publishing a longer video about this soon. I hope the participants of the next cohort keep pushing the needle on making healthcare AI safer. Multiple academic reports have highlighted how lack of regulatory guidance is a barrier to AI adoption. That means a lot of work is yet to be done. So if I could give the next cohort one bit of advice, it would be prepare to work hard. At the end of that, I'm looking forward to reading about what they have learned.